Did you know the average new car in 1995 cost $15,500? Fast forward to today, and that cost skyrockets to $48,000. That's right, prices have tripled. Meanwhile, wages haven't budged as much. Picture this. In 1995, you could buy a reliable sedan for just a fraction of today's prices. Fast cars, reliable engines, and cozy interiors were all available for less. Now, the same vehicle quality costs a small fortune. For instance, a compact car then cost about $10,000. Today, a similar model starts around $25,000. That's an eye-popping jump. It's a stark reminder of how the market has changed. In summary, car prices have skyrocketed, but wages just haven't kept up. Follow to learn more about financial changes today.